Hello humans and welcome to my ToolNix tutorial. Um, I've seen a few on the internet I do not like because they use timestamps. Here we're going to use chapters because I find it a lot easier. I use this for my jellyfin server, and so what you want to do here is I don't know if it makes a difference or not, but I like to make sure there's no extra compression while clicking through. I already did it earlier because I screwed up my recording. So moving on, I like to name file title. It's SO1, and I already did the first disk, so we're starting from halfway in. And so I name it up here, and I name it down here, just to make sure it's naming correctly. And what I like to do is use DaVinci Resolve. You can do VLC too if you want, but I like the visual representation of the DaVinci Resolve better. So what you want to do is just click through to the next chapter till you get to the part where it is the end of the show, and see how it says chapter 7 right up here. What you want to do is go to ToolNix and mark it as chapter 8 because it's splitting from the chapter before this marker. So the end of the episode is chapter 7, and what you want to do is mark it as chapter 8 so that it will rip from there instead. Well, cut it from there instead. And what you want to do is just keep clicking through and doing the same thing over again. So we're at the midway point. There's the end of the episode. There's a little clip of the next episode. And then we're at chapter 13. So we're going to mark it as chapter 14 in ToolNix. And continue on. I might make this double speed once I edit the video. And that way you don't have to watch all this. Alright, as you can see, we're just about done here. We're done now. And I've already taken the privilege of gone through while they are loading up and renaming them all. And I'm going to rename the last one right now to, I think it was 25. And there it is. That's all set. And X that out. That's all set. And I don't need this anymore, but I'll just leave it up. And we'll go over to my jellyfin server, drag it over. And these ones are already in. I just need to refresh it. This 1 and 2 together. Now I'm going to just delete these off so I can just have the one season right here. That's all episodic. And we'll delete this. Yes. Alright, perfect. And I'll just go back again and then do a little refresh metadata. There it is. Perfect. Great thumbnails just all around. And that's it. Easy as pie.